رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, how are you all? I want you all to use the chat box, inshallah. Let it be an interactive session. I want you all to use the chat box and reply to my whatever the questions I'm going to ask, inshallah ta'ala. Let it be an interactive session, inshallah. So, dear brothers and sisters, alhamdulillah. So, we all are here for the video editing course, inshallah, for the next 20 days. I'm your host, Mishal, with you. Okay, hope you all are well and good and in best state of health and iman, inshallah. I'm not audible to you. I have muted all of your microphones so that only the host can speak here, inshallah. Okay, you can just reply to me in the chat box. Fine, you can make use of the chat box, inshallah ta'ala. At the end of the session, in the doubt session, I'm gonna unmute and I'm gonna ask you the doubts, inshallah. Only towards the end of the session, your mics will be unmuted. Okay, inshallah. So, okay, alhamdulillah. So why are we here, dear sisters and brothers? Come on, reply. We are here for learning video editing, right? Yes. So we are here to learn a skill. We are here to learn a talent, right? We are here to learn a skill for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that we can utilize this talent for the sake of Allah in towards betterment of our deen, towards the spread of our deen in the dawah works and more, inshallah ta'ala. And more of that, we can also earn a rizq halal through this, inshallah ta'ala. After being a professional video editor, inshallah, we can use this as a profession, as a career as well. Okay, so we all are here for learning a skill for the sake of Allah. So inshallah, we're going to learn the video editing in next 20 days, inshallah. So first of all, thank you all for enrolling to this session, inshallah. So I welcome you all to this program of learning video editing. So with us, it is an EDU-SITE. It is sponsored by EDU-SITE, alhamdulillah. So EDU-SITE, you can find our site on the YouTube channel. With the name tag EDU and yes, IT separated by hyphen, inshallah ta'ala. So let's begin this journey to being a productive Muslim or a Muslimah using your smartphone. Okay, this video editing course deals with the smartphone video editing, the mobile video editing, inshallah. So let me introduce myself to you first. I am UMME MISHAAL. I am a YouTuber. I'm a professional photo and a video editor. I'm an online tutor, mathematics tutor. I am a software engineer. Okay, so I'm professionally editing the videos for various YouTube channels, for the YouTube channel named Your Sister in Islam by the Arjumand Abdullah, Sister Arjumand Abdullah. So I'm a professional video editor for them. I charge around 1K for just editing 2 videos. Okay, so inshallah, I'll teach you the skill of video editing in next 20 days, so that you also can be something, and you can also use this as a career in video editing, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, so I'm a professional photo and a video editor. So I actually edit the videos. I charge 5K per 8 videos. So I'm also a YouTuber. I have various channels. I edit the videos for Reminder After Reminder. I did the videos for Nurul Quran. This is actually the volunteer work that I do for the Nurul Quran. I edit the videos for EDU-SITE. I edit the videos for Creation of Creator. I am a video editor for Al Quran Hayati, and I'm a video editor for Your Sister in Islam as well. So so you are with a professional video editor, inshallah. I'll teach you how to professionally edit the videos in next 20 days. So I want you all to follow me along, inshallah, so that you can make this video editing as your career, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, dear sisters, am I a bit am I a bit faster? If you want me to go slow, inshallah, I'll go slow. Okay, so I'm also an online tutor. I take mathematics classes. Okay, so this is my okay, no, it's fine, mashallah. So this is the brief introduction about myself. Okay, so we are here for learning video editing, inshallah ta'ala. So I'm going to teach you this skill of video editing so that you also can earn, or you can use this or you can volunteer your skill for the sake of Allah, or just to gain the rewards and for Sadaqah Jariyah as well. You know what is Sadaqah Jariyah, right? What is a Sadaqah Jariyah, my dear sisters? Is it not that if you put Islamic content online, if you put some Islamic content online, even after our death, it will be available online, right? So if it will be available online, and it will be a source of reward for you and me, right? Yes, subhanallah. So you can also use this video editing skill as for the sake of Allah, and you can volunteer using the skill, right? You can volunteer on various channel after learning the video editing. So you know, this video editing, you can gain multiple rewards by video editing, right? So this is also helpful to earn rizq halal. You can educate yourself, and you can educate the ummah as well, inshallah. So this is a skill that you're going to learn, inshallah, so that you can benefit the ummah, so that you can benefit yourself for your sadaqah jariyah, or you can earn rizq halal through this, inshallah. By the halal means by editing only the non-music content, and also non-music content and halal content, inshallah ta'ala. So why should I learn video editing? The main purpose, to educate yourself, to educate the ummah, you to do the dawa works or more, or to use your skill for the sake of Allah by volunteering the skills for the sake of Allah, and to also earn the rizq halal through this, inshallah. So even you can express your creativity. For example, you're creative in some fields, okay? So you're creative, or you have a very you're creative in some fields like mehendi designing or something like that. You just can make some videos and do editing for that, right? So in the content creation, this is help for video editing, right? So you should learn the video editing for the professional purposes as well, for the social media as well, inshallah ta'ala. So this is what is a brief intro about why you're going to learn this. Okay, so here we have okay, so okay, there was a question I just left out. Okay, no problem. So you know, you can also earn reward by video editing. Do you know this? Isn't it quite interesting? By learning video editing, by this just attending 20 classes, you're going to earn rewards. How can you earn rewards? By rectifying your niyyah. Innamal a'malu bin niyyat. Do you know this hadith? It says as amal are judged based on their intentions, right? Deeds are judged based on their intentions. So make niyyah to use your skill or ability for the sake of Allah, and to earn rizq halal through this video editing, inshallah ta'ala. So you are going to earn rewards even by attending these classes, inshallah ta'ala, just by rectifying your intentions. Please, dear sisters, please rectify your intentions now. Make an intention that you're going to learn the skill for the sake of Allah only, and you're going to earn rizq halal through this, inshallah. Okay? Okay, alhamdulillah. So what are we doing? So let's begin this journey together to be a productive Muslimah using your smartphone. So hope you all know that we are going to deal with the photo editing, video editing on the smartphone, right? Yes, we are making use of only the smartphone and editing our videos, inshallah ta'ala. Instead of wasting our time watching the dramas, watching the reels, watching the YouTube shorts or more, we can just be more productive by utilizing the same amount of time on the cell phone or the smartphone on the productive tasks like this, by editing the videos for the sake of Allah, for the dawah works, or volunteering your skills, or even for the career in the video editing. You know, if video editing, you can be a freelancer. Do you know the apps like, do you know the websites like Fiverr and more? You can just note your skill here. You can just put your skill on the Fiverr website, and just you can be a professional video editor there. You know, they charge more than, yes, you can just go through this website once. It's called as a Fiverr. You can just be a professional video editor there after this course, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, hope you're understanding me, inshallah. Let's follow up. Okay, let's begin the journey, inshallah ta'ala. So Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rectify your intentions. Intent. What are the intentions that you're going to make? Please repeat. Intend to learn the skill for the sake of Allah only, so that you can volunteer and also you can earn rizq halal through this, inshallah ta'ala. The next thing, let's start with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent Lord, right? So that let's begin with the name of Allah, so that Allah puts barakah in your time, in your efforts, in your skills, and more, inshallah ta'ala. Let's seek our help from Almighty Allah with the du'as. Allahumma anfa'ni bima 'allamtani wa 'allimni ma yanfa'uni wa zidni ilma. Oh Allah, grant me the knowledge only that is of benefit and not that which is of no benefit, and increase me in knowledge. رَبَّنَا زِدْنَا عِلْمًا. Allah, increase me in knowledge. رَبِّ اشْرَحْ لِي صَدْرِي وَيَسِّرْ لِي أَمْرِي وَاحْلُلْ عُقْدَةً مِّن لِّسَانِي يَفْقَهُوا قَوْلِي. اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا. Oh Allah, there is nothing easy except what you have made easy. If you wish, you can make the difficultiest task as easiest one. اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Okay, alhamdulillah, let's begin with the course. So brief intro about the course was given now. Alhamdulillah. So this is a video editing course that we are going to begin with, inshallah. So what is video editing? Can anyone tell me what is video editing, please? Just type in the chat box, inshallah. Just don't look into the screen. Okay, what is video editing? The name itself says a video is being edited, right? Yes, video, we are going to edit the video. So what should be available already is video should be available. Video or a footage or a photo or any form of video should be available already. Okay. For example, you need to capture a video already, or you need to have a stock footage already. Okay. So this is a mandation for video editing. There should be a stock footage already, or there should be a photo already. Okay, inshallah, image or anything already, so that we can edit it. Okay, so video editing deals with nothing but the video editing is nothing but you are going to capture a video or photo which is already captured, a photo that is already captured, a video that is already captured. That video that which is captured already, it is edited, trimmed, it is manipulated. There is a trimming process, there's a transitions addition process, audio elements are added to it, visuals are added to it, auditory experience of the video or video will be improved. So the video editing is nothing but you are going to manipulate and rearrange the video such that you are going to get a experienced and a best copy of the video. Fine, inshallah ta'ala. So we are going to learn this skill of editing, inshallah, in the future. So do you know what is the scope of video editing? What is the scope of video editing? Where and all you find the videos? Every content that you have online, every content of the books, everything nowadays, it is converted into videos. Do you know that? Isn't it interesting? Every content is converted to video. Yes, nowadays every content is in the form of reels, in the form of shorts, in the form of more and more. So the opportunities after this course completions are very high. You have so much to give back, inshallah. You can be a beacons of knowledge, inshallah. So here the video editing skills are in high demand for filmmaking, advertising, and more. And here even for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, X, TikTok, and more, in all of such platforms, you have a high demand for the video content, right? So this is the scope of video editing. Where and all, what are the opportunities that you'll get after the completion of this course? Is nothing but you can be a professional video editor, and inshallah you will also have an advanced course if you want to join. But this is actually, in this course, you're going to learn from beginners level till the intermediate level, inshallah. Okay, this will be sufficient to be a video editor, inshallah ta'ala. So you will be able to make professional videos for your YouTube channel. You will be able to create reels for Instagram, Facebook, and more. You'll be able to create shorts for your YouTube, and you'll also be able to earn through freelancing and Fiverr, Upwork, and more. So you have learned what is freelancing, right? Freelancing is nothing but you're going to you're going to note your talent. You're going to put your talent on the Fiverr app, Fiverr website, and you're going to just create some work there, and you're going to be a professional video editor there. Okay, you can just go through this website, Fiverr, inshallah. So, okay, you also can do a job as a video editor as well after the course completion. But there is one priority, one thing to note, that is only practice can make you a pro and a professional video editor. Just remember this, only with the practice you can be a pro. Okay. After 100% of this course, you can be a pro. Along with the video editing course, advanced video editing course, you can be a pro, but you have to practice well after the class. With practice, you can reach this level of editing that I am in now. Okay, with the practice, you can be a professional video editor. But important thing is, you are going to practice, practice, and practice. So level of practice actually is proportional, directly proportional for you to be a professional video editor, inshallah. So for everything, you need to practice. Okay, after every class, you're going to practice everything. Fine. So what is future in video editing? It is nothing but video editors are in high demand, inshallah, because of why is video editing currently in high demand, dear sisters? Because do you know this? All of the content now is actually being converted to video format. Do you know this? It's quite interesting. All of the content that you have, it is actually converted to the video format. The class that I'm taking, this is nothing but in the slideshow format. Now this will be edited and it will be put on the video YouTube channel. It is nothing but what process it is going through. It is nothing but it is going through the process known as the video editing. The audio will be enhanced, the video will be enhanced, and then it will be uploaded to the YouTube channel or somewhere. So that art of video enhancing, manipulating video, this we will learn in video editing, inshallah. So there is a high future, high demand for the video editors in future. So because all of the contents is actually converted into the video format. So inshallah, we are going to learn this skill. So we are learning to edit videos using our smartphone, inshallah. What is the course details? So while enrolling, you actually had gone through this details, right? So we are with you for next 20 days, inshallah. The class will be around for 45 minutes every day, inshallah. You do not have a break in between. It is directly for 20 days, no breaks in between. Okay, so you're going to learn from beginning, starting from the software download. You're going to learn from the software download till the intermediate level, that is the final level, and before the advanced level. You won't be taught about animation in this course. You won't be taught about animation in this course. This is actually for the advanced level. Okay, before the animation level, you'll be learning everything till the intermediate level, inshallah. So if you miss out any classes, recordings will be available on our YouTube channel, and here is the link of the YouTube channel that is given here, inshallah. Okay, so this was the course details. Now what application are we going to use? What is the software that is being used? So the software that is being used, dear sisters and brothers, is KineMaster, the version for KineMaster. Fine. You know, KineMaster is one of the most best software that the video editors and photo editors recognize it as. Okay, and for the video editing in the cell phone and the smartphone, the KineMaster is the best software. Okay, you can download it for free in the iPhone as well as the smartphone or any Android phone or as such. Okay, inshallah, it is available for free. But you will have a watermark copy there. Okay, whenever you export, it will show KineMaster as a watermark copy there. Okay, I actually have a purchased version of KineMaster. Okay, I have a purchased version of KineMaster because I do the professional video editing, so I make use of a purchased version. But for time being, you do not have to use a purchased version. I have a modified version for you all, for all of you who are using the Android phone. Due to the restrictions on the iPhone, I cannot provide the free version of the KineMaster for the iPhone users. Okay, so modified version of this software, KineMaster, will be available for the Android users. Fine, I'll just forward it in the group right now, inshallah. You're going to use it. Okay, I just forwarded it to the group. Just look into the group, inshallah. base.apk. Fine, I just forwarded it in the group. Okay, this is an application that you're going to use. This is a modified version of the KineMaster. Even if you export after this, you won't be getting any watermark symbol. Okay, so non-watermark copy of the KineMaster, I have provided it for the Android users. I'll tell you how to download this in a while, inshallah. Just give me some minutes, inshallah. So what are we going to learn now is in this video editing course, as it was mentioned in the flyer, what are we going to learn? It is nothing but you're going to learn starting from the downloading of the softwares, trimming the videos, different video sizes, adding the images, trimming, splitting, and more. I have listed almost 20 topics that you're going to learn in this video editing course. And towards the end of the course, you will be provided with the special trainings to make some wedding invitation videos, make some Quranic recitation videos, and more, inshallah. The business promo videos and more, inshallah. It is all given in the flyer. You can go through this flyer, inshallah ta'ala. So this is what we will learn in the video editing and the entire batch, inshallah. So what do you want to have now to practice live in the class? Dear sisters, I want you to have 2 devices. If you do not have 2 devices, then no problem. Do not worry. If you're with the laptop, what you can do is you can carry your smartphone with you now. If you are with the laptop, or else if you are with one smartphone, then you will need to have another smartphone so that you can download this application. You can practice live in the class. But if you do not have two devices, do not worry. You can just carry a book with you. Fine. A book to write down the key points. That is sufficient. Fine. You can practice after the class. Fine. You can have 2 devices. One to listen to the class and another to do live practice. Fine. Are you following? I want you to reply in the chat box, please. Yes, alhamdulillah. So you need to have 2 devices. If you do not have 2 devices, no problem. You just carry a book with you. Please carry a book with you. Okay, please carry a book with you. You just write down the key points. You will have this recording available on the YouTube channel. Do not worry, inshallah. You will have this recording available. Even if you miss out any points, you can just go into that and you can go through the recordings, inshallah. So you need to have 2 devices. 1 device to listen to the class, 2nd device for the live practice. If you do not have 2 separate devices, then a book is sufficient to write down the key points. Okay, so only you can just hear the class. That's all. You can practice after the class. Fine. Okay. So this is what you have to prepare for today's class. Okay. Now I'm going to teach you how to install this KineMaster, inshallah. Are you all having have you all received the base application that I have just sent to you on the WhatsApp? Yes. Okay, alhamdulillah. Please click on it, click on the base.apk and download it. Please download it. After downloading it, there will appear a screen that states that unknown source, you cannot install from unknown sources. Cannot install from unknown sources. Yes? Yes, you cannot install from unknown sources. Okay, what you have to do is you have to enable it. I'm sorry, iPhone users won't be able to download this. iPhone users, you have to go to the Google Play App Store or the Google Play Store and download this KineMaster. Because of the restrictions on iPhone has very, very tight security, so you cannot download this base.apk on iPhone. If you're an Android user, what you have to do is please download this base.apk, stage this app, install this app. Fine. Install this. Are you done? If you're you can do it after the class. I'll just take the class for you, inshallah. You can do any problem with the downloading the software, please let me know on the WhatsApp. You can ping me anytime, inshallah. Okay, there will appear a screen that says unknown sources. You cannot download from the unknown sources. What you have to do is you have to go to the settings. Okay, please go to the settings, unknown sources, search for unknown sources and enable WhatsApp there. Okay, I'll just show you the screen. Okay, I'll show the screen share. This is just before staging the app. What you have to do is go to the settings and enable the unknown sources for WhatsApp. Okay, unknown source downloads or install for WhatsApp. I'll share the screen. Okay, if any doubts, you can just ask me after the class. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. So I'll just share the screen. Bismillah. Okay, alhamdulillah. So you're done with installing. Very good, mashallah, barakallahu fiki. So whenever you click on the base.apk app, you will get a screen, right? On that screen, you will have the app won't be staged. So you need to go to the settings to enable something so that you can install from the unknown apps. This is what you will get, install unknown apps. Okay, go to the settings and enable this WhatsApp there. Okay, there's something called WhatsApp. Can you see my screen? Yes, are you able to see my screen? Yes. So on the settings, please enable the WhatsApp, install unknown apps. Okay, install unknown apps and enable the WhatsApp there. Okay, that's fine. So alhamdulillah. Just a moment. Okay, so I'll just show you my YouTube so that I can let you know which channels I'm editing for. So I have channels, namely Nurul Quran here, Reminder here, EDU-SITE here, Creation of Creator here, and more like Al Quran Hayati and another phone, and as well as the Your Sister in Islam there, inshallah. So this is what I am a video editor on, and what more. So this is the KineMaster that I have. It is a professional KineMaster. Okay. So if you have the screen, if you have finished downloading, you will get. Okay. Okay, dear sister, if you are finished down installing the application, you will get this icon on the screen, the KineMaster. So this is an application that you have on the screen. This is the symbol of that app. Fine. Are you all following? Okay, alhamdulillah. So let me just open this application. Okay, this is the KineMaster screen for you. Okay, the first thing is the home that you'll have here. Okay, the first thing is the home screen here. Fine. Here you can make use this home screen. This home screen is for the beginners. Fine. You can find the templates here. Fine. You can find the templates here. You can just search for anything, and you can just make videos. For example, you can search for wedding invitation. Okay, and you can just you will find so many videos here, so many wedding invitation videos here. You can just put back your content in that and make a video editing. Okay, it's just for the beginners. Okay, you can just search for the templates, find here, and just make any, you can edit any of the videos. Okay, even if you don't have anything, if you do not know anything about video editing, you can make use of this template and create your video. You just have to change the content, that's all. Okay, you just open this up, you're going to change it. So this is nothing but on the home screen you will find the templates. Fine. This mix, the second thing that is mix here, this is used for, this is nothing but the thing that they are sharing, the video editors are sharing. Okay, that will be available here on the mix. Fine. On the home, you're going to have the templates, millions of content you have. Okay, on you can just edit the already available templates and make your own videos. Fine. This is the templates that are available. Okay, this is available on the home page. Fine. Whatever you want, you have available. It's available here. You can make the intro videos. You can make any videos. All the videos are available here. Fine. All the templates of the videos are available here. This is the home for the KineMaster. Fine. The next thing is the mix that is already discussed. The third tool here in the KineMaster is a create version. This is mandatory now for us. Okay, you're going to click on the create. Fine. This is where the creation begins. This is where the editing begins. This is the only tool that we are going to utilize in the entire of editing. Fine. So this is the create tool. So let's just stop this annotation. Okay. So there's another thing that is a profile here. I am a professional. I have used this. I purchased this version. actually pay for the KineMaster premium version because I do not want any ads and any watermarks. So I pay for this KineMaster, and for professional editing the video, I also have the cloud storage. Okay, so I've just provided for you the mod version of the KineMaster so that you do not have to pay. Fine. So this is about my profile. Fine. So let's start creating. You're going to see the third tool at the down. Okay, the third tool at the bottom of the screen, that is known as the create. Fine. So the KineMaster will always be in the horizontal version. Fine. You have to hold your tab in the landscape pattern. Understood? You have to hold your smartphone in the landscape pattern, not in the portrait fashion. Okay, this is one interesting fact about KineMaster, that the create version of the KineMaster enables you to edit the videos in the landscape mode and not in the portrait format. Fine. So, okay, let's begin. Okay. So what are we going to start with? We are going to start with the create. Okay, so click on the create, which is at the bottom of the screen, third tool at the bottom of the screen. Okay, if you are going to have any doubts, actually cannot see your chat box when I'm sharing the screen. Fine. So after the class, I'm gonna ask you all of the doubts. Please ask me the doubts. Inshallah, I'm gonna clear it out. Okay, so here, this is the screen for the KineMaster. Fine, dear sisters, this is the screen that you're gonna get. So this is the first screen that you have here. This is an interface, and this you're going to have a create new, a thing called creating the project, and the projects that you have created will be available here. Fine. The projects that you have created will be available here, and the new projects that you're going to create will be here. Fine. Okay. So let me just clear this. Okay. So you're going to click on the create new button here. Fine. Everyone, if you're following me, if you're with another cell phone, please click on the create new button. Fine. Okay. The first thing that appears here is project name. Okay. The project name. You're going to give the project, your project, a new name. Okay. Let's write it as the test project. Test project. Okay. Fine. So you have aspect ratios here. What is an aspect ratios, dear sister? Dear brothers and sisters, aspect ratio is nothing but every video has different sizes. Do you know this? Every video has different sizes. The aspect ratios that are mentioned here, this one, 16:9, is of a YouTube video. Normal YouTube video has 16:9 ratio. Fine. 9:16, this is for the TikTok videos. Fine. And this also can be used for the shorts of YouTube. Fine. And this one, it is the Instagram video, normal Instagram video. It is Instagram video and not the reels. Okay, Instagram video. This is for the Instagram video. Okay, this is also the YouTube videos. You know, YouTube videos are available in 4:3 and 16:9 format. This one and this one, YouTube videos. Okay, this one, this is an Instagram reel. Instagram reel. Okay, please remember all of this. And this one is a YouTube shorts. YouTube shorts. The 3:4 is a YouTube shorts, and 2:35:1, 2.35:1. This is also the YouTube video, or it can be used for live streaming or for the Zoom app or something like that. This is 2.35:1. Okay, these are the ratios of the videos that you can create. Okay, do you know the videos are available in different formats? One is the longest in the vertical pattern, and just in the smallest pattern. So here we have the different sizes, ratios of the videos. Fine, that are going to be edited. So please remember this. You can take this down in the notebook or somewhere. You have to remember this, inshallah. Whenever you're going to create something, you have to look into that ratio and create. Fine. Whenever you're going to create something for the Instagram, you're going to click on 4:5. Fine. You're going to click on Instagram Reels only. Whenever you're going to create YouTube Shorts, you're going to click 3:4. Whenever you're going to create TikTok videos, you're going to click on 9:16. Whenever you're going to create Instagram videos, it is 1:1 reel. Whenever you're going to create the normal YouTube video, then it is 16:9. This is normally used. 16:9 content is normally used. Fine. Usually we use 16:9. So for this class time being, we are going to use this 16:9. Fine. So the normal videos, this 4:9, this is actually used for the presentation format, okay? Presentation videos and more, okay? Hope you all are getting whatever I have explained now, inshallah. So the next thing that we have is towards the bottom, there is something mentioned advanced, okay? Do you have it on the screen? Yes, there's something called advanced mentioned there, okay? This one. Can you all see in my screen? I cannot see the chat box, please. So after the class, inshallah, I'm going to ask you the doubts because I'm sharing the screen. I cannot see the chat box. Please, after the class, please ask me the doubts, inshallah. So click on the advanced. In the advanced level, what you're going to see is you're going to have photo display mode. How are you going to how are you going to show the video? There are 3 modes. One is a fit, one is a fill, and one is an auto. For example, whenever you're going to insert a video or photo in the KineMaster, video or the photo in the KineMaster, here they are going to ask you, how are you going to insert it? You're just going to fit it to the screen or fill it to the screen or let it be the automatic. Usually we use fit to the screen. This is recommended, okay? So this is recommended. So every time just put it, fit it to the screen, okay? You do not have to use this advanced options while creating, okay? But just remember the photo display mode. We have 3 different modes. One is fitting the screen, fitting the video or the audio or the video or the photo to the screen, or filling to the screen, or automatically assigning the photo or the video to the screen, okay? So this will be fit always, and this is a recommended option, okay? You just have to put this as this option as fit, fine. And then default photo duration, there's one more option named default photo duration. I think you do not understand this now, but you will understand it in the future, okay, inshallah. So for default photo duration, whenever you are going to insert a photo on the KineMaster, they're asking you how much duration of that photo will be. So it is 4.5 seconds, which is already given. You do not have to edit all of this. It is already being edited on your software, fine. It is already being filled up in the software. I'm just showing you these options that are available on the KineMaster while creating a video file. Then as a default transition duration, whenever you're going to put a transition in between the 2 videos, how much should be the duration of the transition? It is already fit to 1.5, okay? You do not have to worry about all of this. You will understand it in future, inshallah. Okay, so this is what you have to go through whenever you're going to create a project. Just a simple thing, what you have to do, write the project name, assign whatever the ratio you want to assign, and then just click on create. You do not have to go to the advanced option, okay? You do not have to go to the advanced option. It will be already assigned, fine? It will be already assigned. So this advanced option, you do not have to worry about advanced option. You just have to write the project name and then go to the aspect ratio. Write the project name, go to the aspect ratio. That's all, fine? Okay, so we will begin a test project. Just write the project name, write the aspect ratio, take the aspect ratio. For now, let me take for a YouTube video. For a YouTube video, it is 16:9. Okay, this is a normal YouTube video, a regular YouTube video. Let's begin with 16:9 and let's start creation. Just click on the create. Okay, there's one more option on the import here. There's one more option called import here. This import is actually used. Okay, for example, if I have a KineMaster, if my friend has a KineMaster and she has edited a video, fine, edited a video, and she wants me to edit the same video, what she does is she can just send me the Kine file, okay, .kine file. What I can do is I can import it and just put it into the KineMaster and further edit it, okay? So this import option is used at that time, fine? This import option is used when I am editing the video and I want my friend to edit the same video. What I do is I send the Kine file, .kine file, okay? I send the .kine file to her and she can further edit the same video and send it to me. That's all. So this import is used to edit the already edited content or the .kine file. That's all, okay? So we have learned everything that is on the screen. Alhamdulillah. So let's begin with the creation of the project. So you are going to write the name of the project and you're going to select the aspect ratio. For now, I have selected the YouTube. For the YouTube video, this is the annotation. This is the aspect ratio that I have selected. Fine. So, okay, I'm just going to click on the create. That's all. So this is how you're going to create a KineMaster. KineMaster 5. Fine. Now this is the screen for the KineMaster that will appear on every KineMaster. Fine. It is same for everyone. Fine. This is an interface that will appear on everyone's screen. Fine. Okay. Alhamdulillah. So on this screen we have different tools. Fine. On this screen is empty. It's totally empty, right? It's totally empty. So on the screen we have different things, different tools here. The first thing that is activated here is a media, right? Something called media. On the left side you have something called back button, the undo button. I'll just show it. This is an undo, this is a redo, this is the maximizing screen, this is the settings, this is the maximizing of the timeline. This is called as a timeline. Okay, dear sisters, this is called as a timeline. Fine. This is a timeline, and this is to move the project, and this is a media option, this is an audio option, and this is a layers option. In the layers option you will have so many tools. In the recording option you have, and here this is a video recording option, and this is a play store, this asset store, what we call as asset store. In this you will have so many assets to collect, and this is called as an export file. Fine. This is how you're going to export. On this, if you'll click this, the last thing, the top right, on the top right, the thing that you're going to find, this is the export option. Fine. This is an export option, and this is a play button. Okay. So this is all about the interface or the screen of the KineMaster. Fine, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, alhamdulillah. So okay, we almost have 5 minutes left for the class. So we will take the tools in tomorrow's class. Okay, we'll be discussing about tools in tomorrow's class, inshallah. For now, I'm going to clear all of the doubts that you all have, inshallah. So let me just stop sharing the screen. I want you all to raise your doubts, inshallah, so that I can answer you one by one, inshallah. So, okay, I've just stopped the screen sharing. I want you all to just ask me the questions in the chat box, or you can just unmute your mics and ask me the questions, inshallah. So, app is installed, but it is not opening. Okay, kindly send me the screenshot on my WhatsApp. I'll just let you know how you have to open it, inshallah. So, okay, what more? Any other doubts, dear sister? Please type on the chat box. Yes. Okay. And any other sisters? You are unable to install the app. What you have to do is you have to go to the settings. Okay, you need to create an account. Yes, you need to create an account. You have to the one that told that you are unable to uninstall. You are unable to install. You have to go to the settings. Please go to the settings. Please go to the settings and search there. Search for something called unknown sources and enable the WhatsApp there. Okay, enable the WhatsApp there. Okay, what more? Any more doubts, please? You're unable to understand anything. Inshallah, after the class, I'm going to send you the recording. Please listen to it. Okay, if you want to install, yes, you can install the Watermark Copy of KineMaster from the Play Store itself. Okay, go to the Play Store, type KineMaster. Okay, you're not going to, okay, someone asked no unknown sources. What you have to do is you have to go to the settings, unknown sources, enable WhatsApp for installing from unknown sources. Okay, and what more? Any more doubts? Please ping me on WhatsApp, inshallah. I'll clear all of your doubts. If you want to have the watermark version of this KineMaster, then you can just go to the Play Store and download the KineMaster. Okay, dear sisters, Play Store or App Store and download the KineMaster. But if you want the modified version of this app, I have sent you on the WhatsApp. Okay, if some people are not able to download this app, I have few more modified versions. I'll send it to you. Okay, okay, no problem. In some devices it is not compatible. Okay, so I'll send the another version of the modified app so that you can download it. Okay, no problem, do not worry, inshallah. I'll send another modified version, but just remember to enable the WhatsApp from unknown sources. For iPhone users, I'm sorry, the iPhone has very tight restrictions. You cannot download the WhatsApp or the any other app from the unknown sources on iPhone. Okay, For iPhone users, you just have to download it from App Store, okay? Just go to the App Store, download the KineMaster app. That's all. There you'll have the watermark copy, but to remove the watermark, you just have to purchase. Okay. Your enable on the WhatsApp. So it is not enable, it's enable. You're going to enable the WhatsApp to download from the unknown sources. Go to the settings. Okay, I'll just recap whatever I had told. I have given you the modified version of KineMaster. What you have to do is you have to just open the app. It will show that you will not be able to stage the unknown app from the unknown source. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go to the settings and enable WhatsApp. You have to click on WhatsApp and enable it to download or install the apps from unknown sources. That's all. Then you're going to install it, then it will install automatically. Okay, I'll help you out, inshallah. Just let me know your doubts on the WhatsApp. Okay, alhamdulillah. So let's quickly recap what we had studied today. We have studied about the screen of the KineMaster. Okay, the KineMaster screen had 4 things. One was the home, one was the mix, and one was the please type. What was the next thing that we had on the KineMaster screen? One was the create, and one was the profile, right? Yes. On the create, you had aspect ratios, right? You had aspect ratios. What more did you have? Please type on the chat box. What more did we have? One is an aspect ratio. Project title, right? Project name, aspect ratio. What more, dear sisters? Project name, the aspect ratio, and advanced options, right? And then we actually created the, yes, advanced options. And then we had create, yes, in the advanced option, you also had, what did we have in advanced option? Do you remember it? Yes, you also had the import on the top right. Very good. Import option. And also had on the advanced option, you had so many things like photo duration, transition duration, and more, right? You also have to import the, you also had it, this, yes, fill, fit, and auto. Very good, excellent. So yes, and after that, you had to create a file. Yes, you also had to write the duration of the photo or the video. That's fine. Okay, mashallah, alhamdulillah. So this was the class for today. We are almost time. We have almost crossed the time, alhamdulillah. So inshallah, we'll discuss few more topics in tomorrow's class. Jazakumullah khair. Until then, practice, open the KineMaster and practice some videos. Try to edit some videos, inshallah. Inshallah, it will be a quite interactive session with you all. Try to be very interactive in the class and be present in the class for all next 20 days, inshallah. I'll teach you this skill, inshallah, so that you can be a video editor professionally and you can make this as a career, okay? Inshallah. Okay, Jazakumullah khairan, dear brothers and sisters in Islam. Hope you all are fine and hope take care of yourself. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.